stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few ways on how to style your faux locks. I have super long faux locks. When I mean super long, I mean super long. If you're interested in seeing cute ways to style your faux locks, then keep watching. So the first style, super easy. This is a cut legging. I cut my leggings into shorts. So this is just a cut legging. A regular scrunchie is not gonna work with all this hair. So what I do to get me like a cute high ponytail, I'll take my, what you call this? Legging. Pull it up to however high I want my ponytail. Then I like to just pull these back and position them. Make a regular tie. You could get away with one tie, or you could tuck it under and tie it again. Second hairstyle is gonna be super easy. All we need to do is kind of flip the hair to one side. I like my buns a little more on the messier side, but whatever you like, you do.
Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Do a birthday party in a Phantom. And you know titty shining like acrylic. Yeah, so dope, I had cornrows. Make a count on some tall ass shit. Attitude on some fuck you too. Bang roll on what it do.
This one's actually so cute. I gotta get me an Instagram flick. She's cute. I like this one. This one is a vibe. So it's just a basic ponytail. From after the bun, you could of course bring it back to the ponytail. Things hanging down. Another vibe. This one has been, I would say, my signature hairdo. It's what I've been doing all the time. So what you're gonna do is you'll just take half your hair, just like that. You'll take one from the back, or really two from the back, and just begin wrapping it around. And then you'll just tuck it in, and then boom. And it actually doesn't take any time. Like, it's not hard at all, is what I mean. Like, all these hairdos are super easy. And you just position it to where you want it. It's just the fact that I feel like my ponytail should be a little lower. But if you're into that, then be my guest. We could actually just pull it. Let's just pull it into like a third ponytail right here. Another cute little option, if those are your vibes. Just want to show you guys your options. Straight back with a headband. And whenever I put on something like a headband or a scarf, I leave some kind of like falling down a bit. I don't know why, it just makes me feel like a little pirate. But yeah, cute little stocking. You know, wear them like somebody's mama. What I've been doing to get everything out of my face, if I don't want no hair, no nothing, I will just take the dreads and kind of like crisscross them over, and I will continue to crisscross them over. So we could like crisscross to here, tie it in a knot, and that has been my like thing. So like if you were going to like a special event where you needed your dreads to look tamed, or you were looking for more of a classy way to wear your dreads with a dress, this would be the way I would wear them. Okay, so we're just crisscrossing them until we're roughly down here, or we could take some of our hair, wrap it around. I'm going to an event and I have locks, whether you have natural locks, faux locks, you know, this would be the way you would wear your hair. But anything that you could do with your actual hair, you could do with faux locks. And I just wanted to show you guys some quick and easy hairdos, because people are like, how do you style that hair? Can you even style that hair cute ways? And this one lady was like, this hairdo is only cute on you because you're cute. And I'm like, what? Thank you, but no. Anybody can, I feel like anybody could rock this style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on a few different ways to style your faux locks. Let me know which style was your favorite, and if you have a favorite faux lock style, leave it in the comment sections below. We would love to hear it. Literally, I would love to hear it. I would love to think of some more hairdos. But for now, I'm good. I gotta go eat. I gotta go feed this baby in my tummy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to support, like, subscribe, comment, share with a protective hairstyle lover, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Like a baddie. Worth more than a cup of meal, pockets full of skrill. Why your man calling on me? Make him pay my bills. I don't give a fuck. I get fucked up about shit. Big girl wheels when I'm pulling up.